How are you, my beautiful, beautiful people? How is everything going? This is honestly setting up to be a beautiful trade right over here. Right here, we'd go break even. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I really want to see this play out. We have a 15-minute SMT inside of this 15-minute fair value gap. On top of it, dropping down to the 1-minute time frame, we have this manipulation leg, and we have our market structure shift, also known as our break even, right over here. The second we can close above this inversion, I'll be looking for entries. And honestly, this is beautiful. Like, can't ask for anything more in life. This honestly plays out. We're jumping, we're flying, and we are getting that money. Let's see. Let's see. All in time. At 21 seconds on the clock. And it would 6 contracts. 10 seconds. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. Close above, please. There we go. Whoa. Market.
Order filled.
There we go. See how this is gonna play out. We're definitely going up. Like, there's no way we get stopped out over here. Impossible. I know this market's just trying to play me right now. Yo, what is this chop right now? This is crazy work. Finally. See these markets pump. About time, man. Bro, why did we just not continue all the way up though? Anyways, I'm up on the day. Can't complain. It is what it is.